For this SAT math question, we definitely have to use our answer choices. Let's have a look. It says a circle has the equation right here, and we need to find out which point does not lie in the interior of the circle. And of course, here we have the points. And we have to know how the equation of the circle works. So these are the points that we have. And of course, the first number will represent the x value, and then the second number will be the y value. If we put this and that into the x and y right here and work that out, if the result is equal to 25, that means the point is on the circle. So let me just write that down. If we do get equal, that means on the circle. But the question is not asking us to find the point that's on the circle. We want it's not inside. And for the inside is less than. This is inside of the circle. Well, again, we don't want it to be inside. So what we really want, we want greater than. This is of course the outside. But this right here is just a note for you guys. For the equal sign, right? And if you get the result less than, it's the inside. If the result is bigger than, it's the outside. So we really just have to do our dirty work and then just. So we just really have to do our computation and just work out what the answer is. Yeah. So let's see. If I put this and that into here, we'll just see we get -7 plus 3, and then we square that, and then we add 3 minus 1, and then we square that. Okay, this is -4 square. We get -4 times -4 is positive 16. And then we add, this is 2 square is 4, which is 20, which is less than 25. This point is actually inside of the circle. We don't want that because we are looking for the point that's not inside of the circle. So this is the check for A, and now let's check for B. So -3 put it here. And in fact, you can see this right here, it's not going to work, but I will just show you guys all the work to make it clear. That will be 0, square is still 0. This is also 0, square is still 0. All in all, we get 0. It's less than 25. So again, this is also inside the circle, so no. Now C, 0, 0, plug in, so we have 0 plus 3 square plus, yeah, the answer is D, but like, I'll just show you guys all the work. Here we go, this is 3 square, which is 9. That's -1 square, which is -1 times -1, which is +1. And we get 10, which is less than 25. Yeah, we should have just gone with option D. But of course, we should also take some time to really make sure that when we plug in, we actually end up with a number bigger than 25. Yeah. Well, earlier we could have seen already, because when we have 3 plus 3 is 9. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 squared is 36. But let me just write down all this for you guys. For good practice, I would say, yeah. Anyway, this is 6. And then square that, we get 36. And then it's for sure bigger than 25, because this square is always non-negative. But if we work that out, 2 minus 1 is 1. Square is still 1. So this is 37. Therefore, this right here is bigger than 25. So this point is not, yeah. Of course, you don't have to show all this work. But yeah, this is the answer. Go ahead, check out the next question. I'll see you guys over there. That's it.